how to update your profile or personal info in BCBSM application. So if you're also using Blue Cross Blue Shield of Michigan application based on your location, first thing first is launch the application within your device and make sure you're currently logged into your account if you haven't already with your registered username and password. So once you successfully log in, you just need to navigate to the My Account section, which is usually found in the main menu or a side menu or at the bottom of your screen. So based on your device's screen, just find that, and once you are inside My Account, you should see a list or section displaying your personal information, and you just have to tap on the edit your information button. After selecting the specific information you want to change, such as address or phone number or email, the app will provide options to edit or update each field, and after making necessary edits, make sure to save your changes, as the app might have a save or update or apply button to confirm the modifications. So that is it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.